When it comes to emergency preparedness, one of the biggest challenges everyone faces is the cost of energy-related gear. A lot of preppers find themselves overwhelmed by the price tags on large generators, whether they're gas-powered or solar. And although prices are slowly becoming more affordable, they still remain out of reach for a lot of people. So the question becomes, what can you realistically do to prepare, especially when you're on a budget? A good starting point is understanding the limitations of major appliances during a power outage. Even with a decent solar generator rated around 4 to 6 kilowatt hours, a refrigerator or freezer could only run for 18 to 24 hours max before the generator needs to be recharged. Older appliances, especially refrigerators that aren't energy efficient, will drain your backup power even faster. Gas generators, while useful, depend on a steady supply of fuel and require regular maintenance, and they're loud, both of which may be difficult or impossible to manage in a long-term emergency. And other common household devices like microwaves or coffee pots use a huge amount of power in a very short time, making them impractical in most off-grid situations. Ultimately, long-term refrigeration is not something you can reliably count on during extended outages. Instead, people should focus on shelf-stable food storage as the core of their food plan. When it comes to lighting and small electronics, there are much more affordable ways to stay prepared. Flashlights, lanterns, and headlamps that use AA, AAA, or D cell batteries are widely available and usually inexpensive. Rechargeable batteries, like Eneloop or Amazon Basics, are a smart investment for devices you use often. They may cost more up front, but they'll save you money over time. That said, it's still important to keep some traditional alkaline batteries on hand for situations where recharging isn't possible, like during a prolonged outage. USB battery banks are another affordable and highly practical solution. A small battery bank can charge most smartphones 2 to 3 times before they need recharging. These banks are compact, reliable, and they're easy to keep in your everyday carry bag or an emergency kit. They're excellent for powering phones, radios, and even small USB fans during a blackout. For those who already own modern power tools, those lithium-ion batteries that come with them can do double duty in an emergency. Many tool brands offer accessories like lights or fans that run off the same batteries. Some batteries even come with built-in USB ports. Skill, for example, includes USB charging capabilities directly in the battery, which saves money because it doesn't require extra accessories. These battery systems can be recharged using vehicle adapters, so you can stay powered up using your car's 12-volt outlet. And speaking of vehicles, they're often overlooked as power sources. Most cars come equipped with USB ports, 12-volt sockets, and some even include full AC outlets. With a car inverter, you can run small devices or recharge battery packs. Just remember to keep the engine running when using the vehicle for power to avoid draining the car battery. And for extended use, storing a few cans of extra fuel is a good idea. Just make sure to rotate it regularly and store it safely. Mini solar generator kits are another cost-effective option. Portable solar panels under $100 can be used to directly charge USB devices or recharge US battery banks. Add a simple solar battery charger for AA and AAA batteries, and you've got a flexible, renewable energy setup. Keeping this kind of kit in a Faraday bag offers protection from EMPs while keeping your gear organized and ready. There are also plenty of individual solar-powered devices that offer reliability without high costs. Solar-powered radios and LED lanterns are widely available, and they work well as backup lighting or communication tools. If you place them near a window every day, they'll stay charged and ready for when you need them most. These are low-maintenance, low-cost items that add real value to your emergency gear. While electricity-based lighting and heating are often energy hogs, fuel-based options can provide long-lasting comfort. Traditional candles and oil lamps work, but they come with fire risks. Safer alternatives include candle lanterns that are enclosed and emit more light with less danger. And the bonus is that flame-based lighting provides some heat, which can be helpful in cold weather, though it can be a disadvantage in hot months. For heating and cooking, fuel is more practical than electricity. Butane stoves are great for indoor options, and propane stoves work well for outdoor cooking. Portable propane heaters like the Buddy heater are specifically designed for safe indoor use and are a reliable source of warmth during winter outages. Now, I can't speak for everyone, but I can say that probably 80% of those who are serious about being prepared have a Buddy heater somewhere in their stash. Get one. These tools offer efficient portable heat and cooking ability without putting a strain on your limited electricity supply. In the end, being prepared for power outages does not require a 5-figure investment. By understanding what appliances actually need and being realistic about your options, investing in smaller scale energy tools, and learning to live with shelf-stable foods and fuel-based solutions, people can build a reliable emergency setup, one that doesn't break the bank but still covers the essentials.